Namaste, I'm Roshan Kumar Yadav. Welcome back to you in online class of Sagarmatha Secondary English Boarding School. Today I have come along with you with answer part of all the very short questions of computer software and also with some questions, very short questions with another lesson, computer fundamental, computer basics. So please watch this video and verify your answer of computer software lesson, because I had given 40 questions from this lesson, and the very first question is what is called a collection of program. So please verify. It is my request to all the students, verify your answer, all the answer one after another. So first question is what is called a collection of program, and the correct answer is software. Software means a collection of program. Another question, what is called a set of instruction that tells the computer what to do and how to do it. And this answer, and the correct answer is program. Program means a set of instruction, but the software means a group of program. Question number 3, what gives life to the computer hardware? Here the correct answer is computer software. Computer software gives life to the computer hardware. You know very well, without computer software there is no use of computer hardware. Now question number 4, how many types of computer software are there? You know there are 3 types of computer software. They are system software, application software, and utility software. Now question number 5, how many types of system software are there? You know this answer. This is also divided into 3 types. System software means 3 types: operating system, another is language processor, and another last one is device driver. Now question number 6, how many types of application software are there? So the correct answer is 2, customized software and packaged software. How many types of operating system are there on the basis of interface? On the basis of interface there are 2 types of operating system. They are CUI and another is GUI. Now next number, question number 8, how many types of software are there on the basis of user? On the basis of user, how many types of operating system are there? And the correct answer is 2 types. First number is single user OS and multi-user OS, multi-user operating system. Now next question number 9, how many types of language processor are there? 3 types of language processor. The correct answer is 3 types: assembler, interpreter, and compiler. Now question number 10, which software converts the human understandable language into machine understandable language and vice versa? In computer there is a software, because you know very well computer can only understand machine understandable language, that is binary digit, that is binary language 0 and 1, but human cannot understand that language. Human understand artificial language, human understand natural language, and it is written in English alphabet, so that there is a software that converts the human understandable language into machine understandable language, and the correct answer is language translator or language processor. Now question number 11, which is the first CUI based operating system of Microsoft Corporation? The first CUI based operating system of Microsoft Corporation was MS-DOS. Another question, question number 12, which software recognizes the peripheral devices used in the computer system? We use different types of peripheral devices in the computer, and all the peripheral devices are connected to the CPU port, and all the peripheral devices are hardware. And here given which software recognizes the peripheral device used in the computer system? Correct answer is device driver software, because for printer also device driver, there is a device driver software. For a scanner also, for all the peripheral devices to recognize in the computer system there is a device driver, and without device driver the system cannot identify or recognize the particular peripheral device in the computer. Now next number, question number 13, what is the full form of OSS? And the correct answer is open source software. Now question number 14, which software is also called customized software? Customized software means tailored software. It means the software which is designed and developed according to the requirement of the customer, that meets the basic requirement of the customer. Now question number 15, which software acts as an interface between the user and the computer? It means which software creates the working environment between the user and the computer, and the correct answer is operating system. OS means operating system. Now question number 16, which software is available at free of cost to the user so that we should not pay for them? Which software is free software? The correct answer is OSS, open source software. This software is free to use to the customer so that we should not pay for these software. Now next one, which language processor converts the assembly level language into machine level language? Which language processor? And the correct answer is, here you can see the correct answer is assembler, means language translator that converts ALL into MLL. Give any two examples of CUI based operating system. PC-DOS is known as the first CUI based operating system, another MS-DOS. Personal computer disk operating system, Microsoft disk operating system, these all are the examples of CUI based operating system. Now question number 19, give any two examples of GUI based operating system. So the examples of GUI based operating system are Windows, Unix, these are the examples. Now next one, name the language translator that converts the source code written in HLL into MLL, but it converts line by line. Here you have to give the language translator name, and the correct answer is interpreter. Interpreter is the language translator that converts the high level language into machine level language, but line by line. Suppose 10 lines, then it converts only one line at a time. Now next, question number 21, which language translator converts entire source code written in high level language into machine level language at once? Which language translator does this function? And the very powerful language translator is called compiler. This is the function of compiler. Which operating system is difficult to use, CUI or GUI? Here you have to find which is difficult to use, and the correct answer is CUI. It is very difficult to use. Now next number, which software is responsible for controlling and managing all the hardware and software components in the computer system? It means which is the main software, which software is responsible for controlling and managing all the hardware and software components of the computer system? System software. It means this is the system manager. It manages all the resources, all the hardware and software resources, so that we are able to do any work in the computer. Now question number 24. Which software is not available at free of cost and user needs to purchase the license to use them? It means which software is not available at free of cost? Licensed software. Licensed software. Now next number, which software is also called proprietary software? And the correct answer is licensed software. This is also called proprietary software, because when we want to use this software in our computer, we need to purchase the license before using it. Now next question number 26. Give any two examples of free software. FS, here Linux, OpenOffice, these are the examples of free software, free available. Without any charge we can we can use this software. Now next question number 27. Give any two examples of licensed software. The examples of licensed software are Windows, Adobe PageMaker, Photoshop. These all are the examples of licensed software. When we want to use this software like MS Word, also Excel, PowerPoint, these all are the licensed software. Next number, question number 28. Which software is designed by the software companies to meet the basic requirements of the customer? It means which software is designed by the programmer or any software company to fulfill the demand of the customer, and it is also designed according to the requirement of the customer. And the very correct answer is tailored software or customized software. Now next, question number 29. Which software is also called general purpose software? Which software is called general purpose software? Here you can see open source software. Which source code is available? Which software is available at free of cost? Which software can be used by each and everyone is called general purpose software. Now next, give any two examples of package software. The examples of package software like MS Word is package software, Adobe Photoshop is called package software. Now next question number 31. Which software functions as a bridge between computer hardware and application software? Which software functions as a bridge between computer hardware and application software? And the correct answer is system software. This software is responsible for managing computer hardware, and it also allows the application software. It also enables the user to use application software inside the computer. So this is the correct answer, system software. Now next question number 32. What is a compiler? In simple word we can say it is a language translator. A compiler is a language translator. Now next, question number 33. Give one example of single user OS, single user operating system. The correct answer is MS-DOS is known as single user OS because it can support only one user at a time. Now next question number 34. If MS Word is called word processing software, MS Excel is called a spreadsheet software, then what do you mean by PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint? Then PowerPoint means you know very well presentation software, presentation application software. Now next, which software is responsible to maintenance of the computer system? means utility software is responsible, because utility software performs the housekeeping task of the computer. So this software is responsible for maintenance of the computer system. Now next question number 36. Which language processor is faster? Three types of language processor: assembler, interpreter, and compiler. And compiler converts entire source code written in high level language into machine level language at once, so that it is faster. So the correct answer is compiler. Now next number, antivirus is an example of what type of software? Which software? Here you have to say utility software. Antivirus means utility software. Now question number 38. What is called the programming code that can be understood by the programmer? What is called the programming code that can be understood and written by the programmer also? And the correct answer is source code. Source code means the human understandable code or programmer understandable code. Now question number 39. Question number 39. What is called the code after compilation that can be understood by the computer? Compilation means translation. So what is called the code after translation or compilation that can be understood by the computer? It means, what do you mean by that code? And the correct answer is object code. When the source code is converted into machine understandable form, then machine understandable language is called object code. It is in the form of 0 and 1, and source code is in the form of English alphabet or mathematical notations, numbers. Now next question number 40, and this is the very last question of computer software, and this is the very last question what I had given in earlier class, so that match your answer. Last number question: what is called the process of converting the source code into object code? What do you mean by this process? And the process of converting the source code into object code is called compilation. Here, compilation. Now this video is completed. Sorry, this part is completed. The answer of a very short question of computer software is completed. Now I am going to give the questions from another part. I am going to give the question from another lesson, that is computer basics, that is computer fundamental. So please, you have to please watch this question and try to solve the problem again. So from the beginning you have to see here. You can see now I'm going to give you some questions from this lesson, computer basics, because you have already studied this lesson, and now you have to do revision also, because your examination is also coming soon, so that you have to prepare a lot of question. If you prepare only very short answer question, I guarantee you can solve any kind of problem. If you watch the video nicely, if you complete all the questions every day, it means day after day, then you won't feel any difficult in the examination. So that you have to complete, so that try to complete all the questions which are given by the teacher. Now let's begin the lesson from the question part, and the very first question is from this lesson, computer basic, computer fundamental lesson. Very first question is how many functions of computer are there? I won't give the answer. You have to find the answer. You have to generate the answer. You have to try to find the answer. What is the best answer? What is the correct answer of this question? And next day I will come with you with all the answers, so that you have to verify your answer. So first question: how many functions of computer are there? Now another question: what is the full form of GIGO? You have to find the answer. What is the full form of GIGO? Now another question: what is called the result obtained after processing? What is meant by the result obtained after processing? Now next one: what is meant by the repeated working capacity of computer without losing its speed? What is meant by the repeated working capacity of computer without losing its speed? Now next question number 5: what is called a collection of raw facts? Question number 6: what is the full form of IPOS? Now question number 7: what is called a collection of 4 bits? Now question number 8: which machine is also called mini bank? Which machine is also called mini bank? Now next: what is meant by a collection of well-defined data? It means what is called a collection of well-organized data. Now question number 10: which capability of computer tells that it can be used in all the fields? 11: what is called 1/millionth part of a second? Question number 12: what is the full form of ICT? Now question number 13: what is meant by 1/billionth of a second? One by one you have to see all the question. How many bytes make 1 KB? How many bytes make 1 kilobyte? Now next, how many megabytes make 2 GB? And the question number 15, the clock speed of computer is measured in ... You have to write the clock speed of the computer in which it is measured. Now question number 16, what is the full form of GHZ? 16 completed. Now 17, what is called the process of buying, selling and exchanging products or services through internet? What do you mean by this process? Now next, question number 18, what are the two main features of the computer? Here you have to give what are the two main characteristics of the computer, two main features. Now question number 18 completed. Now 19, what is the full form of bit? What is the full form of CAS? CAS. Now 21, what is meant by femtosecond? What do you mean by femtosecond? What is the smallest memory measurement unit of the computer? Here you have to write which is the smallest memory measurement unit of the computer. Next question 23, which one has the highest storage capacity? 2 points, 2 options you have, TB or PB. Which is the best answer? Now next one, what is the full form of CBT? Question number 25, what is called the time taken by computer to perform an operation? What is called that time taken by the computer to do any task in the computer? Now next question number 26, the processing speed of computer is measured in terms of ... Now next question number 27, which is the primary input? Which is the primary input device of the computer? It means which is the main input device of the computer, primary input device or fundamental input device of the computer. Now question number 28, what is called the primary output device of the computer? Like primary input device, what do you mean by which is the main primary output device of the computer? Now question number 29, what is the full form of a DVD? Question number 30, what is meant by 1,000th of a second? 1,000th of a second. Now question number 31, how many bits equal to 1 nibble? How many bits make 1 nibble? 32, how many bytes are there in 64 bits? How many bytes are there in 64 bits? What is the full form of ICU? Now question number 34, is computer 100% accurate device? If yes, you have to write yes. If no, you have to write no. Now next question number 35, how many functions of a computer are there? Here you have to write how many functions, 20, 10, 5, how many functions are there? Now next question number 36, what is the another name of computer? What do you mean by, you know very well what is the meaning of the computer, but what is the another name of the computer? Now question number 37, what is the full form of IPM? Now question number 38, what do you mean by the process of converting the raw data into information? What do you mean by the process converting of raw data into information? Now question number 39, write the power of 10 for millisecond. Write the power of 10 for millisecond. If you want to write the fraction of second in the power of 10, then how do you write for millisecond? Write the power of 10. Now question number 30, this is the very last question of this lesson, computer basics, very short answer question. How many steps are there in IPOS? Here you have to find how many steps are there. Now the questions, all the questions have been completed. Try to generate all the answer yourself. First of all, you have to verify the answer. You have to check the answer of computer software. If the answer is wrong, you have to correct it yourself, and you have to write the question of another lesson, that is computer basics, and try to write the answer yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Stay at your home and stay safe. Have a nice day.